Hello, social media friends. It is Massage and Yoga Therapy Thursday with the lovely Buddha back there and my anatomy charts and reflexology chart. So we talked earlier about the IT band this week, and we want to talk about foam rolling today because a lot of people love to foam roll, right? And they love that hurts so good feeling. So a few weeks ago we did the hurt so good and hurt so bad are the same thing. They still hurt. So I am a big fan of foam rolling if you take about 20% of your weight off the thing that you're foam rolling with, whether it's a tennis ball or a foam roller or whatever it is, right? A massage percussor, and let your tissue kind of get used to that it's almost like you want to foam roll to the point where you feel a sensation and you back off just a little bit and let your nervous system acclimatize to it, and then see what happens. Are you making progress? Because most of the time when we foam roll, it feels like we're not making any progress at all. No matter how much we do it, it's about the same result. So that just says that we need to back off and try a little bit less and see if that particular methodology works a little bit better. So give that a try and let me know what you think.